so very much for tuning into my channel, Imperii Auto, everyone. This channel will be focused on all things auto-related, news, reviews, accessories, classics, and more. And when I say classics, filming a very, very cool video this weekend. You guys will definitely want to check it out. As a new channel, I know it gets old, but I would greatly appreciate a like and subscribe, as it will surely help me grow. And please throw a comment below. I'm always down to talk cars, and I'll try my best to respond to everyone I can. So again, thank you so much for the support, and I really appreciate you checking out my channel. I wanted to do a shorter editorial video today after I recently saw some press info from Ford about a new splash package for the 2022 Ranger. The original Ranger has a soft spot with me, as my father had a little red Ranger truck from the 90s. I can't remember the exact year other than it was like a little red Ranger, basic, no options with a manual transmission. Seriously, it was just like the truck Hank Hill drove in King of the Hill. When I was learning to drive, that truck had by far the most difficult manual transmission I had ever driven to that point. It was so effortless to stall at random. The clutch was very wonky, and the pedal, from what I remember, lifted like literally straight up instead of towards you. With that said, it was probably a great car to learn how to drive a manual on. When I later got my first car, my beloved Z31 300ZX, the manual was a dream compared to that little Ranger. Another note, I finally remember seeing Rangers all over the road into the 2000s with the Splash package, ripe with 90s pastels and fonts. So the return of this option package definitely sparked my attention. Mid-sized trucks are definitely hot right now, and it's cool that Ford is adding a variety to the current Ranger lineup. Here's the official press information from Ford. For Ranger fans, the Splash is back. The much-loved special appearance package from the 90s is making a comeback. Reimagined for today and starting with the 2022 Ford Ranger Splash package. Ranger customers love to personalize their trucks, and that's true. More than 80% customize their Ranger with an appearance package. And with the Splash, we're giving them something exclusive, said Chad Calendar, Ford Ranger Marketing Manager. Every few months, we're going to roll out another exterior color for the Ranger that will be offered one time only and in very limited quantities. That's pretty cool. That's kind of what Toyota does with their TRD colors. But that's once a year, not once every few months. So that's going to be pretty interesting how Ford pulls that off. Splash will come in two styles, Splash Package and Splash Limited Edition. The Splash Package comes with body side orange and black graphics and special 18-inch 12-spoke wheels finished in matte black. Ranger Splash includes orange grille nostrils, plus gloss black accents on the grille, bumpers, rear view mirror, caps, wheel lip moldings, and fender vents. The interior features exclusive seats with orange contrast stitching and unique carbon grain with tuxedo stripes. Leather trimmed in the lariat. Orange contrast stitching also appears on the steering wheel, gear shifter, and parking brake boot. Lariat models get orange accent stitching on the front and rear armrest and on the dash top. The Splash package can be combined with the FX2 or FX4 package to add more off-road capability to its distinctive looks. That's cool that they're offering it on the FX4. Ford will also bring a fresh dash of color by revealing Splash limited edition trucks every few months in a series of one-time only hues that just a few hundred vehicles will be available. That's interesting. It also features the 18-inch matte black wheels, unique combination of exterior and interior content, and finishes. The Splash Snow Edition kicks off the first batch. Ranger Splash packages will be available for Super Crew models, optioned in XLT and Lariat trim. The option is priced at $1,495 with delivery starting at the end of the year. The Ranger is proudly assembled at Michigan Assembly Plant in Wayne, Michigan. Good for you, Ford. I think it's really cool that Ford is bringing the Splash package back, but I have to say, I saw nothing that threw back to that original Rad Splash logo. And take note, Ford, Radwood scene is super hot right now. So if they could integrate the original Splash logos, heck, you'd get an extra $1,500 from me. So tell me what you think, everyone. Is the new Splash going to be a splash? Ha! Da-ding! Let me know in the comments. And again, thank you so much, everyone, for checking out my channel. Just a short little video today. I thought it was pretty cool. I wanted to get something up about the new Splash edition. And again, I've got a really, really cool antique car review I'm going to be filming this weekend, so please check back. That should be coming sometime next week. Again, thank you so much, everyone. Throw me a like and subscribe, and we'll talk soon. Have a great, great day.